In this video, I will be sanding the inner and lower fairing. The main goal for today is to get those fairing pieces painted. Inner fairing, lower fairing, completely done. It actually came out pretty good considering I painted it outside. There's the lower fairing. Not too bad. I thought this was going to be a flat black, but it's more like a semi-gloss. It's actually not bad looking. And here's the inner fairing. I don't know if you remember, but there was a bunch of sun damage here and up in this area here on both sides. And I think that came out pretty good. Again, like I said, considering that I painted this outside on the lawn. But well, yeah, what a big difference compared to what it used to look like. So that's it for this video. I think the plan of attack here is going to be maybe getting the fairing back on and, you know, putting the gauges and everything back in place. And hopefully everything works. I don't know. I mean, I'm okay with doing work like this, but when it comes to the wiring, I'm always thinking that I'm going to screw something up. There's always that thought in the back of my head that, you know, you can really screw something up. And that's why before I do any work, like electrical work, like I did when I pulled those pins out of the harness, I take pictures of everything, like real detailed pictures, so I can tell which wire goes where. Let's face it, when you take that many wires out of a plug, ain't no way you're gonna remember that stuff. So that's the game plan for next time. If you wanna go on to the next video, if it's posted, it'll be in your top right-hand corner. You can click on that. Any comments, questions, put them down below. As usual, I'll get to them as soon as I can. Enjoy the wind in your face, but stay safe.